don't know if you can see it moving. It's like just right over there. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there. Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Oh my gosh. Hello viewers, please click thanks just below the video you are watching. This is in Filipino pesos, so 99 Filipino pesos is just below $2 US. Any donations would be much appreciated. According to YouTube, I only receive 70% of this, so the higher we go, the better. Thank you so much again. Check this out. There are monkeys right outside my dorm. Nature is so abundant over here at Rishikesh, and I totally have zero regrets of going here. I've been warned by my family, my friends, but you know what? Like any other country, there's always going to be some not positive news, right? Even the Philippines, I've met some travelers and they've told me that before going to the Philippines, there were so many scares, like people getting kidnapped, foreigners getting scammed and things like that. Same with India. I don't know if you can see it moving. It's like just right over there. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there. Oh, there he is. Ooh. Yeah, that's cool. Oh my gosh. There's a mom and a baby there. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there, right there. Oh my gosh. But yeah, even with the Philippines, some foreigners or tourists that I've met, yeah, they've been warned by so many things, and same for India. But you know what, like you want to make sure that you get positive news from the people who've actually been there. And yes, of course, be careful and be mindful, but I'm so distracted by these monkeys. So cute. But you know what, my experience here so far, as you've seen in the other videos, have been so incredible. I've been so blessed and so lucky to meet such amazing locals, and the guys that I met are particularly from New Delhi, and again, I'm just missing them so much, and I really wish they were still here. But like everything else, I suppose nothing's permanent, and yeah, that's the one takeaway that I have is there's gonna be lots of ups and downs, happiness and sadness, but it's all part of life, and embrace it.
Right. No, normal. Okay. This is spicy. Okay. Sweet या खट्टा है वो? मीठा है. Oh, sweet. Not much spicy.
Okay, I can hold it. Oops. Yeah, I am clumsy.
एक sweet बना दीजिए.
Yeah, I can see it. They look very pretty.
Have you
It's like the Turkish coffee.
हल्दी डाला इसमें?
Oh, it's finished. It's amazing. So we're trying street food, and good luck to my belly. It's my first time, so I hope we're gonna be okay.
This is the milk.
So this one is actually just milk.
You want to taste?
Yeah, let's give it a try. Just a little bit.
एक glass दीजिएगा?
I don't know if they put ginger here, but presentation looks really good. Can we do a cheers?
Oh,
Cheers.
yeah.
Whee!
Cheers.
Oh, this is made from buffalo's milk. Check it out. I feel like such a lucky girl. My good friend Shri, which you saw him a little bit in a couple of clips before this clip. I decided to buy one of these clay glasses because it has such a clay earthy feel to it, and also it will remind me of my amazing memories here in India. So far all the people I've met here have been so loving and so kind, and this is his gift to me, and I really appreciate that so much. This is 10 rupees, but to me it's priceless. I feel like this is worth much more than 10 rupees. I guess it just goes to show that I think value and money is very subjective, because to me this is, for me, so valuable. So I'm super grateful. Thank you, Shri. I think one last thing I wanted to mention, the reason why I wanted to buy this is because when I drink from a glass like this made from clay, it keeps me very grounded. It's just my personal opinion. I'm drinking off this kind of material. It's healthier rather than drinking from plastic or aluminium or other glasses. I think it's best to keep it organic and made from earth. Beautiful. I hope you enjoyed our little night out, and tomorrow's gonna be another adventure. Good morning. The time is around 9:30 in the morning, and we are packing. My bed is looking very messy at the moment. We are meant to be checking out this hostel, and we're gonna be checking out another hostel. So I hope you'll join me, and I'm gonna be showing you what it's like in our surroundings going to the next hostel. It's gonna be my first time exploring this place, so I'm super excited to discover new things with you. So let's get started and let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, we are out. I've got my bag ready. This is my good friend Shri, who got us some nice clay glass, and let's get walking. So that's my good friend going back to Nepal. It's been so amazing to meet people from all over the world. Well, particularly in Nepal, Tibet. I've met someone from Belgium. But right now, we are off to find a taxi. That's very close, and hopefully he gives us a fair price. I'll let you know how that goes. I think this guy is a taxi scooty, so we're getting on a motorbike. Okay. A little bit expensive, 400 rupee, but we're gonna get to the hostel well. Let's go. Okay.
Yeah, time if you want friends, you want some.
I would like to buy some bananas if it's possible.
हर हर महादेव. Life decides.
Okay.
My lifetime condition coming like this. I do cafe running and like guide work, trekking.
Okay.
8 years
Oh wow.
only for tourists.
Okay.
Now India.
Okay. Why? What's wrong with the Indian?
Because we don't have like that. Oh,
Oh my.
yes. Lucky no is there.
So we have a little bit of a
Check out
detour.
this. Sit, Shanti, Shanti.
Okay, Shanti. Oh, Shanti.
Yes.
We have a little.
This is your home.
Yeah, we're gonna make some chai, and I'm very excited to enjoy some chai. So I was told we're very lucky right now that there's nobody here because usually there's quite a lot of people here, and I'm supposed to be singing some song which I don't memorize. So hopefully we will hear some nice music later on. And there's a lovely couple here who have been preparing the chai for I think over 30 years. I think.
36,
30,
35.
35 years, and a lovely, lovely couple who will make some delicious tea, and I'll share that with you later.
But if you want 1 day or 2 days, 3 days. उसे लेकर आऊंगा जो परसों आ रखे थे लक्ष्मण जी छोड़ना आया था पल्लू का मैं दे दे सुबह सुबह कुछ पैसे माए दे दे कुछ आपसे दे दे
Right, we are surrounded by monkeys, and there's also some elephants here supposedly. I don't know if we're gonna get lucky today, but lots and lots of friendly, hairy monkeys around. They actually look really well fed. They're all chunky.
Rishi is a sadhu.
Okay,
So this is sadhu's place.
okay.
Rishikesh, Rishi Muni, they do tapasya next to Mother Ganga, they do mantra, they do sadhana, meditation.
And Kashmir,
Here,
they're only here.
so
No
like
rish.
sadhu's deadlocks, Rishikesh. And this is like connect to God land. We are now is God land. This is not like people land. The people make now construction, before no. Only sadhus, real,
I was very,
quiet.
yeah, I was very surprised. I thought Rishikesh should be more nature, and there's a lot, but there's so many hotels. What's that? Is that a snake?
And they're not real, but the cave.
Wait, is that a real snake or no?
No.
Okay.
They put like this. But have they are like Shiva statue. So they put.
Oh, nice. How do you go down from? It's just a hole. Okay.
20 kilometer by scooty. 2 kilometer jungle walk.
Cool.
Then come this. So I take many people there. Look, the river is like this. Om, the Mother Ganga.
Mm-mm.
4 caves in Rishikesh. 6 caves.
It's like someone's home.
Sadhus stay here. Natural sadhus. Not like this, give me money, come, thanks. Not this. No one need nothing. Just you go, feel if you like, you give some donation ourselves. In jungle. And the height, 1,400 meter.
It's very high.
Minimum 6 hours.
Yeah.
You sit like this.
Do you go camping there?
Yes. If people want camping also, I do camping there
It's
also.
gonna be cold at night. No, I can
Yes.
imagine. Yeah.
Little bit cold.
I think the monkeys want to eat also. Oh no.
You want to see magic?
I don't.
Wow, lovely chai. Hot,
Yeah, nice and hot.
but put here and come. This food for monkey.